Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, we're going to talk about combined data from multiple cells in Excel. Full tutorial. Now right now, basically, once we're combining text, it's basically text joint function, right? But for this, we're going to make it pretty simple, and I'm going to teach you the fastest way actually to do this one. So to get started right here, I have a very simple table. I have two columns right here. If you want to add some more columns, for example, you want 10, you want 20, that will be by your own preference. For me, I think I'm satisfied with what I have here, and let's get started. So I'm going to use this column C as a reference. Now basically, if you want to add two data sheets or two data cells, click on that one, and then click on the ampersand. Sorry about that, that should be this one. Click on the second one, and click on enter. Now you'll notice it's a bit ugly, because the start Tony and the name, as also the per episode value is, there's no space between it. Now to fix this one is double click on the formula, choose the one before the B2, so B2 is going to be 25,000 the per episode, add some apostrophe, and with the apostrophe add some space, another one right there, and another ampersand. Now what's the purpose for this one? Since we're looking for space, we need to add the space like there, literally. So it's just like understanding your formula. It's just like you're talking to your formula, and simply click on enter. So right now we're going somewhere, we have a space right there. It looks more appealing right now, right? Let's have some more here. Now next, let's add some currency to our value. So with this formula right here, I'm gonna add with this one, make sure there's a space, right? So you're seeing a space right there. The one before the name or before the value, I'm gonna add some $sign. Click on enter, and I'm having a $sign right there. Now if your currency is a bit different from dollars, please choose the one that has your country's currency. The lesson for this one is that make sure you add it after this space. Not before, okay? But after. Now let's take it a little step further. Now again guys, it's just like talking to Excel. So that formula right there, I'm gonna add the quotation marks, and I'm gonna add another space here. Take note, there is a space right there. Not your apostrophe right here, or almost forgot about this one. Since the value of the currency here is going to be under per episode, I'm going to type in per episode right there, and then with an apostrophe, and I'm going to click on enter. Now you'll notice that there's an error. So I did it intentionally so I can get your attention. We need to add some ampersand. Every time we add another element to our formula, make sure you always add your ampersand. So click on enter right now, and I have the text right there. Again guys, if I don't want the space, I'm gonna show you how it looks like. So the per episode is gonna be sticking on the value. So I'm gonna like that one right there. And of course guys, if you want to change this one, for example, I'm gonna type in Tutorialboxx right there. Easy as that. For example, I'm gonna go back on per episode, of course, since we're looking for the per column. Click on enter, and basically I have it right back. Now if you're satisfied with your formula, simply click on the double click right there, you're gonna have it right here. But I want to edit it some more. I'm gonna go back one step there, remove the $sign right here, because I'm gonna add a comma there. So again, remove the $sign, click on enter. So we have successfully removed the $sign. And I'm gonna format this cell now. So select anything with no data in it, right click, and go on format cells. So that's gonna be control 1 also. And with this one, I'm gonna bring it up, right there, and then go to custom. Now we're looking for a specific formula or specific formatting that satisfies whatever we want here. So we have a bunch here. So there's a $sign right there with a negative and positive adjustment. And with this one, I'm selecting this formula. Notice that there's a $sign, there's a number with a comma. I don't need to copy everything. I'm just gonna copy the first one. So that's gonna be the format I'm looking for. Now going back on our data here right here, simply double click, and we're looking for the value. Take note, the value is going to be B2. So under B2, I'm going to add the formula text. Double click on it. And with this one, we had the value. Please notice that there's a guidance here. And then click on comma. And with this one, I'm going to add the apostrophe. And of course, the formula we had from the one earlier, the format cells. We just copied it and we did nothing to it. I'm going to click on that one right there. Close the formula and click on enter. So I'm gonna have a perfect formula and perfect format right there. Double click on this one, and there we have it. Easy as that. Now that being said, you can now edit it with your heart's consent. Take note guys, this is applicable until how many columns you want. I only use 2 here, basically to satisfy our tutorial. That being said, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.